Butter box is quite commonly used in most of the houses because it serves the purpose of storing butter in it. You do not have to go each and every time into the fridge to remove the butter, and it's hard. So you keep the butter in this butter box, and each time you need to spread it on your bread or you need to use it for something else, you can just remove it from there and use it. However, the difficulty with bringing big bars of butter and saving them in the butter box, what happens is the butter tends to spoil over time, because of which people like to buy small bars of butter or small slabs of butter. However, for those of y'all who are into the habit of buying big bars of butter, I've got a very lovely solution which will save your butter for a longer period of time. At the same time, your butter will not get spoiled because of being in the butter box for too long. So for that, you'll have to watch the hack. But a reminder for those of y'all who are visiting my channel for the very first time, please do not forget to click on the subscribe button and the bell notification icon so that y'all do not miss out on any updates that I post on my channel. So here is the big bar of butter. I've already started cutting it. I'm doing this before I could place it into the fridge, else it will get hard. So I'll keep cutting it into smaller sections in this way till I reach the end of this full bar. Once I'm done with this, I will pack it up and place it back into the box and let it be in the fridge to harden up. Whenever I need to use the butter or refill the butter in the box, I will open up the packing from the fridge in this way, and then as you can see, there are already cuts. I'll simply place the butter knife between that cut, and as you can see, it loosens up and I can remove it very easily and place it into the butter box. An efficient way to refill your butter stock. How did you all like that hack, friends? Do let me know in the comments section, and also at the same time let me know from where all are y'all viewing my hacks from. I would certainly love to know where all my videos reach out to. For those of y'all who have any suggestions or requests, do feel free to get in touch with me on the comments section, or y'all can even leave me an email or get in touch with me on my social media sites. That's all on this episode. I'll see you next time with another new hack on How Hacks.